Good evening. Good evening. So Bapuji has done his engineering from the very prestigious Delhi University, and after the engineering, he worked in different MNCs. Also, he worked in United States of America, and after these project part of adopting monkhood, and he is serving in SCORE, International Society for Krishna Consciousness, for last 21 years. And presently, Prabhuji is the Vice President of SCORE of Dwarka. YouTube sensation as we know, right? He, he who knows not and knows not that he knows not, वो जिसे मालूम नहीं कि उसे मालूम नहीं कि उसे मालूम नहीं, is a fool. वो मूर्ख है, उसे इग्नोर करो. He who knows not and knows that he knows not, वो जिसे मालूम नहीं कि उसे मालूम है कि उसे मालूम नहीं, he is a student teaching. He who knows and knows not that he knows, वो जिसे मालूम है कि उसे मालूम नहीं कि उसे मालूम है, he is basically असली, वो सोया हुआ है, उसे जगाओ. But he who knows and he knows that he only knows, वो जिसे मालूम है और उसे मालूम है कि उसे ही मालूम है, वो अमोघ प्रभु है.
ऐसी ऐसी प्रोडक्शन की बात बोलना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है.